Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to science class. Hope you all are safe and healthy. Students, we are going to start chapter 3, Nature of Matter. In today's session, we will understand the concept of matter and constitution of matter. Matter, students, all the things that we see around us are made up of matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. All matter can be broadly classified into three groups on the basis of its physical state, namely solid, liquid, and gaseous state. Students, let us understand the constitution of matter. All matter is made up of very small particles. Different states of matter has different arrangement of these particles. In solids, the particles are very tightly packed with each other and cannot move. Hence, solids have a fixed shape and a definite volume. Examples of solids are table, chair, book, etc. In liquids, the particles are less tightly packed with each other and can move a little. Liquids have a definite volume but do not have a fixed shape. For example, water. In gases, the particles have a very little hold on each other. They can therefore move far apart from each other. Hence, gases have neither a fixed shape nor a definite volume. For examples, air, nitrogen, oxygen, etc. Students, that's it for today. In the next session, we will learn the properties of matter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.